This doctor-approved snoring device changed my life.
I was so used to sleeping on the couch a few nights a week, I just accepted it as a normal part of life. This mouthpiece here opens up your airway and prevents you from snoring. Now, of course, at first, I thought it was a gimmick. My wife swore that she did not hear a peep from me all night long. She is so happy that I got this thing. By week 2, I hardly even noticed that I was sleeping with it. This really is one of the greatest products I ever purchased. If you or your partner snore, give ZQuiet a try.